flashes back, or if we come up with another name yet.
I can't say the name on video actually for it. It'll blaspheme enough on Sunday.
It's gonna do it.
No, it's not. It's gonna run like a 790. The last two passes it made were like a 90 something, 86. It ran like crap. It popped and did all kinds of weird EFI stuff. So
we have faith.
Right.
Come on, Flash. Right, Flash is back. First time in I don't even remember how long. Missed a gear.
I don't even know what to say, people. I'm living large, Dr. Fear. Woo! It's good to be big.
Alright, Rodney and Kyle's first pass together. On paper, Kyle's got him covered. Kyle got the reaction and the ET. Pass number 2 between them.
the money, 2 for the show, 3 to get ready, and 4 to go. Woo! It's gonna be a good day for Dr. Fear. The man is on fire, Mr. Gears. Yahoo!
Oh crap, he missed a gear. He had that one, I think.
Well, we're leaving under our own power. Today mostly sucked, and you know, track day sucked. Hey, what's going on, guys? You OG subscribers may remember the box of shame, or the shame box. I'm gonna wear this through this whole short but truthful blah blah blah. So let's get started. What happened? Well, I had a crappy attitude. I ended up having a crappy day. I drove like crap, so it was all just crap. Kyle was there. He ran a personal best, actually. I think he ran it against us. Let me double check that right here. Yes, he did. And we will look at that in the time slips in just a moment, but he did run a PB against me. And not to be forgotten, according to Kevin, Eric had a personal best 60 foot. Oh my goodness gracious. In his car, which has now been christened Doughboy. Personal best 60 foot, no one cares about. At the end of the day, it only matters if you had a personal best ET. I had a personal best mile per hour in the 86 GT. Does anyone care? No. Do I care? No. Do you care? No. Show me any. Do you care?
Big Tony don't care about no personal best 60 foots.
Do you care?
No.
Do you care?
No.
And do you care?
I don't give 2 shit.
There you go. Nobody cares. All right. So, we had a crappy day. We missed some gears. Now, I will say that the shifter was allegedly 100% on point, given an A+. Find me one person that would honestly say that both of those gear misses were operator error. Just find me one person.
The shifter works fine. Let me show you.
Nothing wrong with the shifter, bro. You just suck, kid.
Is that even a serious question?
Sorry, bro. Shifter's legit.
Okay, you guys found 4 people. My bad. I had a bad day behind us. You know, the most important thing of any race car is what's between the steering wheel and the back of the seat. That space right there that controls the shifter and the clutch pedal, that is the most important part of any race car, especially in a stick car, in my opinion. So I failed miserably. I failed the car. I failed my friends. I failed my family. I failed you guys. I failed YouTube. I'm a failure. And that's why I'm wearing this. So, anyway, let's take a look at the time slips real quick, and we'll be right back to wrap this up. All right, here's our first pass. We went up there, 627 light, which is epically terrible, but not as bad as we were later. 166 60 foot, which is terrible. We shanked the crap out of the gear shift and ended up running that piece of garbage. We hot lapped it, and we got up there late too, bless our hearts. We hot lapped it, came back around, we trimmed up the tree, not that anyone cares. 60 foot was a little better. 88.5 is a good amount. That is a suck ET. That's just everything about that sucked. Then we raced Kyle. The GoPro acted up. I was messing around looking at the freaking GoPro and looking at the tack and just laid that dud. It was over at that point. Then obviously I couldn't run him down. He went a 53. I had nothing for that. He just beat my brains out. Then the neck, we came back around, and I drilled him into the ground on the tree. And, honestly, that 741, I wouldn't be able to cover that anyway. But I missed third like a big dog. 60 foot was terrible. The whole thing was just a hot mess. So that's awesome. There you go. You've got the 4 pieces of truth. 2 of them suck, and the other 2 are completely terrible. So there we go. So what's our plan next? Well, we're not, going to technically give up on the car. We got a lot of stuff going on the LTD, so we can't really focus on it that much. But hey, it is what it is. So, I know this is short. I know this is probably not very sweet at all. It's been a complete week since this happened. This was last Sunday. This is Sunday. And yes, I am still just a little bit salty, so don't get any french fries around me or eggs or potato chips. Anything that already has salt on it, you don't want to excess of. You would have from me, because I'm a little salty and it's been a whole freaking week. Still mad at myself for my crappy driving, crappy attitude, and just being crappy. So anyway, yeah, that's cool. Hope you guys aren't feeling crappy. Hope you're not crappy. Hope you do a better job than I did next time you're track driving your car, ripping and gripping. But that's what we're going to do. We're going to come back better, stronger, faster than ever, much like $6 Million Man was made. He was just a much better version of himself. That's what we're going to do. And we're not going to wear the chain box next time, because we are going to do our job in the automobile. All right. Well, that's it. Thanks for subscribing. My goodness, we sure do need them. You know, thanks for what would I always say? Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. I know that much. Hell, I don't know. Does anyone really care? No, they don't. Stop talking. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, by God, I guess there will be one. We will see you later. Let's get out of here.